Hello everyone. Well, this is just an update on that CTT lock. The same size as a Master Lock 15. But a Master Lock 15 has 5 pins. If you were to guess how many pins were in this lock, how many would you guess? Probably a minimum of 4, right? There are only 3 pins in this lock. That's why I have such a hard time single pin picking it, because I go back and look for other pins that are not there. But those 3 that are here, you got to get those suckers just right for this thing to pop open. And a little while ago, I just did a video and I was trying to do an update on it and show, that it only had 3 pins, and I couldn't even get it to open with the Bogota. So I don't think I've broken it or anything. I think it's just being belligerent for the camera. Didn't want to reveal all of its secrets. But let me get this thing to focus. You see those shiny little brass pieces down there? That's it. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3. If you look back in there, that's just warding. And there's nothing else in there. I'd like to grind this thing apart and find out what's in there, but it's such a strange lock that I know I'm not going to get another one like it. And I don't want to destroy it, basically. Because, yeah, I could grind this off, take off the plate, and go in there and see basically 3 pins, but I can see them with the flashlight. So but even though there are only 3 pins, man, I'm telling you, you've got to get them just right to get it open. When I tried Bogota and everything else just a little while ago, and it didn't even want to cooperate with that. But just thought I'd give you that little update there. That's a weird thing. The keyway goes, if you stick a pick in, it goes all the way back. But there are no pins there. I don't know if I can get it to click for you. Strange lock. I don't see any serrations. I do see that pin 1 is short. Pin 1 is short, so you're going to have to push him up pretty far. I can get pin 3 to click for me and give me a turn on the core. This is pin 2. Thunk. Pin 1. Push him all the way up there. I should probably be able to comb pick this guy too. I can't find my comb pick set. I don't know what happened to it. The Sparrow's one that doubles as tension wrenches. I don't know where those guys have disappeared to. It's tough, man. Only 3 pins. It keeps throwing me out because I keep sticking my pick further back in there. I'm probably oversetting. Right. I didn't know what to tell you. And now even this is a double Bogota, but not even the double Bogota is not working for me. think I picked myself into a corner today. C3 is the only one that's funny at first. Nothing. Well, don't know what to tell you about this walk. There we go. See, it took forever, and there was only 3 pins. So, thank you for watching. Don't judge a lock by its cover, I guess is the way you call this one.